Hello, Merry Christmas to you guys. I am actually packing, watching some Christmas movies. It's Christmas, just chilling. It's a chill day. I fly out tomorrow morning, so I'm just trying to get everything situated, get all my videos out that I needed to as scheduled, and enjoy the vacation. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I pack, what exactly I'm bringing. As far as outfits, I won't do outfits, like as far as what I'm gonna put together until I get there, because I kind of want to show you guys what I kind of spaz up in my head. But I don't want to do it just yet because that's a lot of trying on, and I need to be packing so I can just kind of enjoy the rest of my day. So I'm gonna do that, and we can just kind of have like a little chitty chat. Okay, so this is kind of like my little rack of everything that I think I'm gonna bring. I ended up not getting the package that I had told y'all about in the last video. Kind of pissed about it, but it should be here next week. I don't know. I still have to reach out to the people, but whenever it does get here, I'll do a haul for those clothes, but I really wanted to bring it, but it's no biggie. I do have a lot of different options that I can bring. So I'm gonna start off with this naked wardrobe sweatshirt. So first off, when I travel, I need 2 airport outfits. So that's me going there and me coming back. And then obviously I need outfits for like typical outfits that you use for pictures, but you're not necessarily gonna wear out, and then comfortable outfits, because I'm pretty sure, obviously it's December, it's gonna be chilly, you know, dress for the weather type of thing. So I need to get content, so I need outfits for that. Nothing too crazy, just kind of sexy is what I'm going for. And then I just need like comfortable outfits because we'll be doing a lot of activities. So yeah, I'm bringing this cropped sweater, crew neck from Naked Wardrobe. It's so cute. It actually has the logo here, and then it has the matching skirt. The only thing with the skirt is I'm not going to wear that out, but it'll be something that if I want a quick photo op in, I can wear it. But this is super cute as well, and it has the logo. So I'm gonna bring this and some heels, try to get some photos and that. But the cropped crew neck, I am probably going to wear in the airport. Then I have this shirt. This is from Forever 21's new collection, Pantone, if that's how you call it. I don't know, y'all know. I have a bad way of comprehending brand names, collections, so forgive me, and if you can correct me, please do so, please. But yeah, it's just this oversized t-shirt. I just thought it was super cute, super grungy, super street style. I also got it in this cream color, so I have brown and cream. So this I would probably wear with some leggings, with some cute sneakers, a puffer jacket, which I have that here. And I'm probably gonna bring one puffer jacket, and I chose white only because white is kind of versatile and it can pretty much go with any and everything. So yeah, as far as the carry-on bag, I can't bring another puffer jacket because it's just not gonna fit. And I'm trying to not bring as much things because I'm actually gonna go shopping here at the mall. But I also have this cute top. This is just in case I want to step out, get some drinks, you know, there's a club and a resort, so just in case I just kind of want to go off by my own, which I feel like I should, because usually I am really bad with going out by myself or feeling alone type of thing. So I kind of just, me, before the end of the year, I just kind of want to find that inner peace with me, be happy with me. That way next year is just going to be a breeze. Like, I'm going to feel unstoppable. And I feel like that's important for anybody to tackle and figure out. But yeah, this cute crop, it has a cutout in the front. And then this is also from Naked Wardrobe. If you know me, obviously you know Naked Wardrobe is like one of my favorite brands. Like, oh yeah, this puffer jacket is from Forever 21. And I also brought this dress. This is gonna be the dress that I will be wearing for New Year's. Not 100% sure what I'm doing. I know there's a couple of parties going on here, but this is gonna be the dress. But the photos that I want to get in this particular location that I'm going to are gonna be the photos that I'm gonna post on New Year's. So I'm excited because the fact that I'm like planning out content and stuff and planning to get that, scheduling everything, it's just, I feel so much more organized with my social media, and I just have to be, honestly. So next thing I got is this beautiful jumpsuit from Naked Wardrobe. I love it. It's super thick. We are going skiing, so I need something cute. Another photo out, y'all already know. And then I have another jumpsuit from Pretty Little Thing. It's kind of, I guess in a way, more lightweight than the Naked Wardrobe one. I'm not quite sure how the weather is going to be out there, if I'm gonna get hot or if I'm gonna be super cold, then I'll wear the other one. But this is cute, and I was just thinking my white booties with the white puffer jacket and white beanie and stuff like that. So this is gonna be the skirt set, and then I have Naked Wardrobe plain black leggings. Some plain black jeans, because obviously black, you can't go wrong with black. Like, you can't go wrong with black. I'm damn near not bringing white. Like, I cannot do that to myself. That's just asking to have a wardrobe malfunction, I don't know. And then these cute leather alligator print pants from Naked Wardrobe as well. I'm thinking about bringing my hats. I have these 3 hats, the LA hat, Yankees in black, Yankees in white. So I'm thinking about bringing those, but I'm not quite sure yet, but I am definitely bringing my white beanie. Now, the only thing that I'm worried about is my shoe collection that I have stacked up here for some odd reason. I don't know why, but anyways, yeah. So let me just start putting everything in to where it's supposed to be. So I am trying to decide what I am going to wear to the airport going there. I'm probably gonna wash this, don't worry. But I was thinking about wearing this with black leggings and my white pumas and then my white puffer jacket. Oh my God, let me tell y'all about, I think it was it yesterday? No, it wasn't yesterday. It was the day before yesterday. It was after I had got my hair done. No, it wasn't. It was actually the day, yesterday I got my hair done. So Christmas Eve, I got my hair done, and me and Lauren, no, it was the day before, y'all. I am crazy. Okay, I can't keep up with my days for some odd reason. It was Wednesday, no, Thursday. It was Thursday. Me and Lauren were on the phone. We were like, okay, we're gonna meet and go to Target and just walk around or whatever. Yeah, because it was Christmas Eve, because the line was ridiculously long we had left. So I show up to the Target. Lauren didn't really specify what Target she was talking about. So why are we at 2 different Targets? And I get all the way to the front. I'm like, okay, I'm outside, I'm waiting for you. She's like, okay, I'm coming. And we're both like, where are you? Like, we don't see each other. And boom, this girl is at the Target in Stone Hill or Stone Lake or wherever the hell it is. I don't even know. Somewhere in Pflugerville. And I'm like, how are we at 2 different locations right now? Like, I'm just so confused. I was like, and you have my location. She's like, no, you have my location. So we look, and we literally don't have each other's location. So there was a miscommunication somewhere, but I thought that was the funniest thing ever, because I swear me and Lauren together are like 2 blondes. Like, I'm telling you, it'd be the funniest shit. Love her though, love her to death. I honestly don't even know how exactly I'm folding these. I'm just trying to see if everything is gonna fit the way that I kind of want it to be folded, because I don't want it to be wrinkled. So if I do end up having to military roll, which I absolutely do not want to, then I will, but we'll see. Man, I wish I was on live so I could see like what everybody's doing for the holidays, how the holidays are going. I also need some really good Christmas movies or holiday movie ideas, or any movies in general. Honestly, I'm open to watching anything. On Netflix, I have Netflix, Hulu, and HBO Max. So anything on there, I just need something that's not gonna like be too long, because my attention span is like super short. So something that's good. I need to watch Power, but I haven't gotten to the new season, so I'm like rewatching the old season so I can remember everything. But honestly, y'all, I'm like looking, I'm like, oh Lord, I don't even know how I'm gonna fit all these shoes in here, y'all. I don't know how. I feel like that works. I'm not gonna bring these, only because I hate wearing jeans. Like, the only thing that I really like wearing as far as bottoms is leggings and jogger style pants or leather pants or something that's not tight. I feel like all my jeans are like skin tight to me, and it's kind of annoying. I got everything in here. I have this pouch. Maybe not gonna bring all of these, so I'm just gonna bring the black one. I'm literally like shoving a lot of crazy stuff in here. Okay. All right, I'm actually going to redo this because I'm like, there has to be a more simpler way. The first time, but whatever. At least I pretty much got everything in here that I needed. Boom, boom. I need to switch over my purse, and I plan on doing a what's in my purse for you guys, but I'm bringing both of these purses because I do not have a lot of, like, I have just like probably one color that just does not go with this purse. So I kind of want to switch it up throughout the time being of the trip. All right, so all I have left is to do all of my makeup, but I'm going to do that in the morning, and I'll film that in the morning for you guys, only because I have to actually get ready. So I don't want to pack all that stuff up yet, but I will be recording that part. So I will see y'all in the morning. All right, y'all. I am up. I've actually been up. I don't know how. I went out tonight, just got home, hopped in a shower, and it's already time to get ready. So I'm just kind of preparing myself. I have my MAC bag packed, makeup bag, everything in here, and I also have this bag with all of my lotions, deodorants, exfoliator scrub. I'm just trying to make sure I have everything I need. I wish I could bring this. This is like my favorite perfume. My best friend got it for me, but it's way too big, so can't bring that. I want to see. I haven't used this in a minute. I mean, I guess I could bring it. We'll bring it just in case. Just in case I need something. Every time I put my, you know, like the earring back, my countertops are granite. So every time I put it down, I swear I'll be thinking I'm blind because of all like the different grains in the granite. I'll be getting like lost in it kind of. Okay, you're so late. Here it's so late. I'm actually gonna bring this silk ponytail. Y'all, if y'all don't have this, get it. It's like way better than using these because it's obviously silk, so it doesn't pull out your hair as much. But I washed my hair. I'm gonna straighten it when I get there. I just kind of want it to be curly for now, or wavy. So I'm just gonna like pull it apart, make it pretty and big. I'm just gonna spray some Gatsby's in my hand so I can go over the top. And I had to put a sports bra under this only because I had realized that my boobies were showing, so, or under boob. So I was like, ooh, that's not gonna work. Because if this come up, then everything gonna come out and we can't have that. So, all right, so I think I have everything. I'm gonna try to fit some of this, majority of this stuff into my luggage. That way I can just only bring a purse and not a personal bag. Well, my personal bag is gonna be my purse, but another personal bag that I have to put my purse in. So I'm trying to avoid holding a lot of stuff. But I think I bring, no. I think I want to bring this one. I have two flat irons. I have my Chi and then I have this other one. But this one like randomly stopped working, which is why I got a new one. So I'm gonna bring this, got this, got this. And I think we're ready to go. So I will see y'all at the location.